push, run, walk, yawn, jump, wink, eat, talk, sleep, read, write, dance, scream, sing, swim, climb, drive, cook, shrug, clean, play, study, think, laugh, cry, smile, pout, blink, listen, touch, see, shiver, hear, taste, smell, kick, hunch, sigh, sneeze, shout, cough, whisper, punch, pull, lift, carry, catch, bend, throw, drop, turn, spin, roll, shake, wave, point, clap, snap, nod, bow, glide, slide, hug, kiss, wash, scrub, slip, hang, open, close, rub, scratch, pinch, tickle, share, grasp, fondle, squeeze, hold, release, chew, bite, send, nibble, lick, suck, give, spit, vomit, whistle, flip, crumple, faint, watch, crawl, lean,